Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss how can I use tags effectively in my videos. Tags are keywords or phrases that help describe your video's content. They make it easier for viewers to find your videos when they search for specific topics. Using tags effectively can improve your video's visibility and help it rank higher in search results. Here's a simple guide to help you use tags effectively in your videos. Start with relevant tags. Use tags that closely relate to your video's content. Think about the main topic of your video. For example, if your video is about baking a chocolate cake, your tags should include words like chocolate cake, baking tutorial, how to bake, and cake recipe. Use both broad and specific tags. It's important to have a mix of broad and specific tags. Broad tags help your video reach a wider audience, while specific tags target people looking for exactly what your video covers. For example, broad tags could be baking, cake, and cooking tips. Specific tags might be easy chocolate cake recipe, baking with cocoa powder, and moist chocolate cake tutorial. Check what's trending. Look at popular videos similar to yours and see what tags they are using. This can give you ideas about which tags to include. However, don't copy them exactly. Make sure your tags still match your video's content. Avoid unrelated tags. Using popular tags to get more views is tempting, even if they don't relate to your video. But this can actually hurt your video's performance. If viewers click on your video expecting something else, they'll leave quickly, which tells platforms like YouTube that your video isn't useful. Use long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are specific phrases that are usually longer than regular keywords. They help attract people who are looking for something very particular. For example, instead of just using cake, try how to bake a chocolate cake at home. Include common misspellings or synonyms. Some viewers might spell words incorrectly or use different terms for the same thing. For example, someone looking for a cake recipe might type cack, choco cake, or easy cake recipe. Adding these variations can help you capture more search traffic. Limit the number of tags. While it's good to have multiple tags, don't overdo it. Having too many can confuse the search algorithm and make your video less focused. Stick to around 5 to 15 well-chosen tags. Use tags consistently. If you create a series of videos on the same topic, use similar tags across those videos. This can help viewers find your other related videos more easily, and platforms may start grouping them together in recommendations. Final thoughts. Tags are a simple yet powerful tool to boost your video's visibility. By using relevant, specific, and trending tags, you can increase the chances of your video being discovered by the right audience. Just remember to stay honest and consistent with your tags, and you'll be on your way to better video performance.